Your Samsung Galaxy Fit3 has a decent water-resistant rating of 580 mAh, which means you can take it out in the rain or go for a swim. But before that, you'll want to turn on water lock that will disable the touch input of your Fit3. So let me show you how to enable or disable it. To enable water lock, you need to open the quick panel by swiping down from the top. Then look for a droplet icon, which will look like this. This is our water lock. Just simply tap on it and water lock will be enabled. Now the touch input will be disabled and the screen won't work. Now you're ready to take a dip. And when you're done, to turn off water lock, you simply need to press and hold the home or power button for 2 seconds, which will turn off water lock with a vibration. But you won't see any water ejecting action like you see on other watches because your Fit3 doesn't have a speaker grill. And that's all there is to it. Feel free to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you around.